Staying hydrated is very important during long outdoor runs. This cup is lightweight and comfortable and does not affect the rhythm of running at all.